Welcome to Hardwood Inspirations, metalworking, woodworking, and travel. Today's video is Metal Cart for our church part 2. I hope you enjoy the video and have a great and wonderful day. So here I am, I'm prepping the existing cart by wiping it down with lacquer thinner for painting to get this portion all painted and ready to go. I still have some additional welding, the handle to make, and add wood, which will be in another part. I hope you're enjoying this, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please feel free to make them. Here I am pre-drilling holes in the angle iron of the base of the cart for attachment of the plywood at a later date of the project. So here I am, I'm going to spray paint this cart now with 2 coats of Rust-Oleum black gloss paint. Here I am clamping up, and then I will weld on some 1/4 inch, 3-inch flat bar for additional supports for the handle system. Once I have everything squared up and measured so as it has the correct spacing, I will then go ahead and weld that to the existing frame of the cart. Then to clean up the welds a little bit and make the surfaces a little flatter, I will use my grinder to clean up the welds. I've then cleaned the additional support bars with lacquer thinner, and now I'm spraying them with a Rust-Oleum Gloss Black spray paint. And here I've cut some pieces of 1.25" square tubing, 1/8" wall to make the handle out of. I'm using my Bridgeport mill to drill the holes for the locations of where the handles will connect to the cart, and also have a bolting mechanism on it so that it can fit underneath a stage where it needs to be stored. One of the things I need to do is deburr on the back. So we'll use this deburr knife and deburr this hole. So here I am trying to put some hinges on the handle. We were going to use that for the folding of the handle. What I discovered is that the hinges were not strong enough for us to have any kind of pushing pressure for the weight of the cart and stuff, so I had to abandon this portion of the project and rethink it. So as you can see, what we ended up doing was doing a pivot point instead with a piece of 1 inch, quarter-inch thick plate welded on the bottom of it to give it extra strength for pushing and pulling. And here I am cleaning it up for the next paint job. At this point we have the handle all made, and I'm finishing up painting it, and it will work perfectly as far as folding and fitting underneath our stage where we will need to store this cart. So I hope you've been able to learn some few things from this video, and that you look forward to seeing the next part of the building and assembly of this cart. Thanks for watching my channel, Hardwood Inspirations. I hope you've enjoyed this video and look forward to the next part in this series. Have a great and blessed day. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for the next available video. Have a great and wonderful day.